In HTML5, today we are going to talk about input control attributes. This is a form being made in HTML5, and for a particular individual, this form helps in entering the value and sending it to the server. But the most important thing is how simple this form is. What are the functionalities or features that are available with HTML5 that we are going to discuss today. So let's work out this form. Let me enter the name, say APK, and say house number is some, say YGU3, and I'm not going to enter the postal code because it needs certain explanation right now, but rather the country I can give, and the country may be say UK, and choose file. You can choose the pictures. I have two pictures. I can select two pictures at once. Okay, let me submit it. So this JavaScript alert means JavaScript code gives the name, then house number which the user has entered, the postal code because we have not entered it, the country, and the pictures, the name of the picture and the size of the file. Because this browser does not support, we are not getting it, but eventually we are going to discuss these facts and these features. So let me go to the file and open it using Notepad++, and we are going to talk about them one by one and side by side. Okay, so now in this HTML5 web page, we have first of all the heading, input control attributes, then we have this content, this control first, name is the label, then this is the text box, and the input type is text as we entered. The ID is my name. Autofocus, since if I reload it, you see that the cursor starts blinking here. The autofocus is there. Autocomplete means I write my name. If I have already entered, that name will be automatically means completed, or you'll get a suggestion to complete it. So I've kept it off. The placeholder is what the user will see inside this text box. It makes life more easier, and the required field is true. That means we have to give the name, like primary key in database. We have to give the name. We cannot keep it vacant. Coming to house number, again text, then ID is house number, and placeholder is enter house number, size is 30. This postal code needs a bit explanation. Now the type is text, the ID is my postcode, but the pattern it follows is like this. First of all, A to Z means any character from A to Z, whether small or capital. 1, 2 means whether 1 or 2 it will accept. This postal code will be accepted. Then followed by a digit which can be 1 or 2, followed by digit 1 or 2, any number 2 or 1, not 3, not 0. Then followed by slashes, that means a space. Then followed by a digit, only one digit. This is /d means one digit. And A to Z in the similar fashion means a character from A to Z, exactly 2, not 1 or not 2, exactly 2. So I will enter it here. Okay, accordingly, first of all we have to give a character 1 or 2, so and that has to be a capital. Let me give a capital, small, and then a capital. Okay, make it some other, make it O. O will conflict with 0, so let it be Y, AY. Then followed by a digit, let us have a digit, say 7. Then followed by a space. This digit can be 1 or 2. This gives like this. Then a space, then a digit, say 5. Then exactly two characters, say T and R. And country of birth, there is a list in country of birth. List is countries which we have already defined here, and you can populate it right away. And if your program is using more than one in the page you can have more than one data list, and you can just define it here, and this list once made can be used anywhere in your web page. Then we have picture. The type is file, binary file, and you can have multiple pictures you can select at once. And this is the submit button, of course. This is the submit button, of course. And there is a code written in JavaScript, as you see here in this form. This particular form we call this return on submit. This is a JavaScript code. What it does, it just takes a value being referred by my name or any other ID, and it just alerted, means it will be alerted or as a message box shown to us, a user. So name, house number, postal code, and my country ID or my country will be shown. But this what it does, this particular code, if you have one or multiple pictures selected by the user, it will show the file name and the size. This what this code does. So hope you got the idea. We'll work out this form again. Let me give some other name, like say Peter, and house number say 56P, and this postal code we have given, it depends on the country in which you are in. You can give like this, country of birth, you can say India, and choose file, open, and submit. Content will be shown like this. Okay, thank you so much, take care.